A fire broke out at a shopping complex in central Delhi's Karol Bagh area last night, which resulted in the death of one person. The blaze was reported at 6:44 p.m. at the second floor of the 4-story Vishal Mega Mart building located in Karol Bagh. A total of 13 fire tenders were rushed to the site and the fire was brought under control. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained and the area has been cordoned off. My colleague Anushka joins us for more details on this. Anushka, so we heard about the fire at Vishal Mega Mart. What exactly have the police found, and what essentially it is that the cause of the fire seems to be at this point?
That's right, Preet. We are right now outside the Vishal Mega Mart where the fire incident took place yesterday evening. The fire officials have said that so far the cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. But initial investigations have said that, according to that, a short circuit was in fact reported inside the building. We are showing you the visuals. The cooling process is still ongoing. The fire tenders are in fact trying to cool this place off since yesterday evening only. Most people who were inside the building were evacuated. One casualty has been reported so far. The person had been stuck in the lift when the fire incident took place, and because of that the person lost his life. The fire tenders have said, the fire service officials have said that the fire was reported around 6:44 p.m. 13 fire tenders were dispatched with over 90 firefighters. The building has a basement and 4 floors above it. Preliminary information suggests that the fire began on the 2nd floor and spread to the other parts of the building. They have also attributed the challenges of putting out the blaze to the building's lack of adequate ventilation, as we can clearly see that this building has no ventilation, and to enter this building the fire officials had to break through the front glasses of this particular area to create ventilation system and allow smoke and heat to escape. The firefighters are now trying to break a wall on the 3rd floor. This is where they are facing some challenges and delays. The fire officials have also said that the flames quickly grew and in a matter of minutes it spread to upper levels. We can still see the plumes of smoke billowing from inside the building. Several customers and staff were inside the building when the incident took place. There was there was an atmosphere of panic that surrounded this whole area. The whole place is cordoned off right now because of the cooling process that is still ongoing. The fire officials have said that the cause of fire is yet to be determined, but initial investigations are pointing towards a short circuit incident. This is a very crowded area in Karol Bagh where a lot of people were here yesterday when the fire incident took place. All of them were rescued from the building, but one casualty has been reported so far. Over to you.